Good morning, everybody. How we doing? Has anyone ever heard of Videomasters? There's a bunch of us in that group. John's in the group, Lynn's in the group, Justin's in the group. I'm in the group. Alan Hoffman used to be members in the group. So this is a ongoing. I think it's been going like 2 years now, maybe 2.5 years. And what we're trying to do in Videomasters is to get more members. So to do that, we're going to be doing a seminar, a brief seminar. I think it's November 4th on a Saturday in the morning for a couple hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours. Teach people all about why to use video in their presentations. And so what I'm doing is I'm coming up with a promotion plan to promote that and get people to become part of that. So what is Videomasters' mission? I'll just read what they have there on the website. We help you master video to achieve your goals no matter what they are. You can tell stories, inform, educate, promote, explain, entertain, share your life moments. The group consists of people of all different levels, from total beginners who've never done anything to more video professionals like me and a few other group people who actually have done video and have made money doing video. So there's an entire range of people, a plethora of backgrounds that you can be part of. It's sort of like Voyagers in a lot of ways, but we're talking about video instead. And it's online, just, we are, but it's only online, 90 minutes, real similar, sounds familiar. We follow the basic Toastmaster structure with a couple of little tweaks. For example, instead of a Toastmaster, there's a video master. Instead of a table topics master, there's an interview master. To the GE, we have a tech master. It's very similar. If you participate in this, you join, you'll feel right at home, very comfortable. So no matter what your background, your level of expertise, communication expertise, video is a critical method of technique of speaking now, of communicating nowadays. This is something we all need to do. Video is everywhere. We're on Zoom right now, right? How many of you guys are on TikTok? How many of you watch Facebook? Watch little shorts on Facebook. Video is the ultimate communication skill. Yeah, I got my degree in video production, 50 years ago? But video is the essence. Yeah, we learn how to speak, we learn how to communicate, but video is how many of us learn, master new skills, and especially in the younger generations. They don't want to talk on the phone. They don't want to come to our meetings. They want to watch it on video. So what can we talk about here? We have a couple of members who said, yeah, I'll tell you what I did on video. Karen is one of our members. Karen, you still there? John is also going to say, okay, so John, why don't you come up while Karen explains her brief experience with Videomasters and how it's helped you. Go for it, Karen.
Okay, thank you, Mark. I was reluctant to join Videomasters because I'm one of the newbies, and what I have learned is new skills. I've learned, first of all, how to conquer the editing tool and how to structure a video so that it has a beginning, middle, and end. Same thing we do in Toastmasters. But I think it's been a good way to, like Mark said, to show my life, to showcase what I'm doing. And it's been fun, it's been educational, and it's expanded brain cells. I learned from everybody, and it's a warm, accepting group, and I'm really happy to be a member. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Karen. What you might not know, Karen on Videomasters is funny. She's really, really funny. She's an actress. One day you got to do something here in our club and demonstrate your comic ability. It's amazing. John?
Thank you. Well, yes, about Videomasters, you're going to come there and see some fantastic, wonderful professional people, and then also you'll see me. No, I'm sorry. I really am not good at video. This is not something that I've really ever done. And I found out the things that I don't know about editing, that I don't know about sound, that I don't know about lighting, that I don't know about scripting. So many things I don't know in my 2 years being in Videomasters. But what I have learned is that I am now better at all those things that I'm not good at, which is an improvement. I can do things. Karen just briefly mentioned the editing tools. And I've begun to learn and play with them and learn what I can and can't do and how much time it takes to make these incredibly improvisational short little films. But it is a good experience because, as we've been kind of pointing out, these online things, the Zooms, the TikToks, the Reels, the Shorts, those are here to stay for the rest of our lives and on through our kids' lives. So learning this skill, or at least in my case, becoming better at it, is very valuable.
Thank you, John. John is a success at making video. He's been triumphant. It's a triumph. Yeah, he's been doing great. So what my job is, what I'm here today, is to encourage you guys as experienced Toastmasters to check out Videomasters. It's a specialty club. There's lots of other specialty clubs out in Toastmaster world. There's a foodie club where people talk about food and cooking. There's a travel club. There's a club for photographers. There's a sci-fi club nearby, sci-fi and fantasy club. I think it's up north a bit. There's a club for reading and books. And there's even a club, you get this, for wine drinking. For people that want to talk about wine drinking. We're not talking about winers, we're talking about wine. And it's not that far away. It's up in San Clemente if you want to check it out. So my goal here, my achievement here is to create a promotional program to encourage people to join Videomasters. And I have really two targets. One is going to be experienced Toastmasters like you. I'm going to create a little press release, a little information package and send it out to various Toastmaster groups. I'm going to be hitting the District 5 leadership and have them promoted. I'm going to go all the way up to Toastmasters International because this is a Zoom club. People can come in from all over the world and be part of this. Also, my second part of this is hitting the non-Toastmaster world. People that don't know anything about Toastmasters and encourage them to join the fold. Now, Videomasters is not officially an advanced club because in an advanced club, you have to be a Toastmaster to join, but we're sort of an advanced club. People from the outside can come in and be part of this, and hopefully they'll become part of the Toastmaster family as well. So I'm going to be creating a little press release and sending it out to all the local newspapers and magazines. I'm going to try to hit some of the national magazines as well. I'm also going to be, hitting the Central Business Journal, other publications like that. I'm going to be putting it on social media. So hopefully this will be a success. Hopefully we'll get more people involved. And so if you're interested in joining Videomasters, you know where I am. Come find me. I'm going to be sending you some stuff. But in the meantime, come find me, ping me. I'll send you the invite. Our next meeting is Tuesday night, coming up next week. Tell you how to get there. Send you the Zoom link. And it's a lot of fun. Plus, you learn everything you need to know about making video. You too can be a success in making video.